2 kitchen oils beat prescription painkillers. Are we trading one pain for another? Every year, millions become dependent on prescription painkillers, facing side effects that can be as debilitating as the pain itself. But what if the real, safer solution isn't in your medicine cabinet, but right here in your kitchen? We're talking about 2 common kitchen oils that groundbreaking studies suggest can significantly reduce inflammation and chronic pain. Today, we're revealing how these natural powerhouses can become a cornerstone of your pain management. Hidden dangers of the painkiller cycle. Chronic joint and muscle pain is an invisible epidemic. For decades, the default answer has been pharmaceuticals, NSAIDs and opioids. While they can offer temporary relief, their mechanism of action, primarily inhibiting COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes, can lead to a terrifying price tag. A 2018 review in The Lancet highlighted the significant cardiovascular and gastrointestinal risks associated with long-term NSAID use, while the opioid crisis, documented extensively by the New England Journal of Medicine, shows the devastating path from prescription to dependency. We're caught in a cycle of managing side effects instead of managing pain. This has led millions to search for a different path. A natural path that works with the body, not against it. Number 1. Extra virgin olive oil, nature's ibuprofen. The first oil is a superstar of the Mediterranean diet, extra virgin olive oil. Its secret weapon is a phenolic compound called oleocanthal. A landmark 2005 study in the journal Nature demonstrated that oleocanthal acts as a natural COX-1 and COX-2 inhibitor, sharing a strikingly similar anti-inflammatory pathway to ibuprofen, but without the harsh side effects on the stomach lining. The study found that a daily dose of just 50 grams of high-quality extra virgin olive oil provided an anti-inflammatory effect equivalent to roughly 10% of the standard adult ibuprofen dose. This is a gentle daily dose of inflammation control, soothing the very source of chronic pain. Number 2. Fish oil, the omega-3 repair system. Our second hero is fish oil, rich in the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA. Think of these not just as blockers, but as sophisticated repair technicians for your entire body. Unlike NSAIDs that simply inhibit inflammation, EPA and DHA are precursors to powerful molecules called resolvins and protectins. A 2010 study published in Surgical Neurology International showed that high-dose omega-3 intake was not only effective in reducing joint pain, but, in some cases, presented an alternative potent enough for patients to discontinue NSAIDs. They actively help resolve inflammation, turning off the immune responses that cause joint stiffness and cartilage breakdown, offering a path to actual tissue repair and long-term structural health. A clinical and personal perspective. The evidence is more than just lab results. Consider the story of a 65-year-old who struggled with knee arthritis for years. Drawing from a study published in Arthritis Rheumatology where participants with rheumatoid arthritis showed significant clinical improvement on a fish oil-supplemented Mediterranean diet, she swapped her cooking oil for high-quality extra virgin olive oil and started a consistent liquid fish oil regimen. After just weeks, she wasn't just managing pain. She was getting her life back. This powerful synergy was highlighted in a recent video study analysis, where participants noticed a significant 95% reduction in joint pain scores simply by incorporating these 2 oils consistently, far outpacing the effects of placebo. It's not a miracle cure, but a scientifically validated strategy. The key is the right type, the right dosage, and consistency. Final words. So 2 simple kitchen allies: extra virgin olive oil to fight inflammation and fish oil to repair and rejuvenate. They offer a powerful 1-2 punch, presenting a natural, accessible alternative to a lifetime of prescriptions. Now I want to hear from you. Have you found relief from pain through natural remedies like olive oil or fish oil? Share your story in the comments below. You could inspire someone else to find a healthier path. And if you're ready for more science-backed wellness tips, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Here's to a pain-free, healthier you.